Finally was able to got to the store and get me some of these Pop-Tarts pretzels. These are the cinnamon sugar ones. So I want to do a quick taste test on them. So let's check them out. Already gonna open the package up. Let's see what they look like. They certainly look kind of like a dessert pretzel type of thing with some icing on it, but yet with some salt. Let's I mean, it smells like a Pop-Tart. It smells like a cinnamon Pop-Tart. Don't need to smell the pretzel. So I'm gonna put them in the toaster here and check them out. Perfect. Into your home. Let's wait for that to finish. That's about done. Hey. Let's kind of slide it onto a plate like this. Hey. Hot stuff. Whew. Hot stuff. Okay. As you can see, they're nice and warm and crispy now. Let's see. Certainly hot. Ooh, definitely hot Pop-Tarts. You could smell a little bit more of the cinnamon, pretzel on it. Let's give it a quick bite. I'm going to take a bite from a corner. Pastry, side down. Normally, I'd kind of want to get the frosting to touch my tongue first. I kind of want to taste it like normal here. Let's give it a shot. Not too much filling so far in it, but definitely because of the pretzel salt on it, definitely tastes like different than a normal Pop-Tart. I normally do like, the regular cinnamon sugar Pop-Tarts, but it doesn't quite taste like that. Again, you get a little bit more of the saltiness, more than the sugar. So let's give it another taste. Not bad. I don't know if I like it more than the regular cinnamon Pop-Tarts, but let's flip it around. So be icing and salt side first, hitting my tongue, just to kind of see if it's a little different. Okay, that you definitely taste the icing on it by doing that way. Not bad. Would I buy these again? I mean, maybe, just kind of for a change off. I don't eat Pop-Tarts all that often. They're not exactly the most healthiest food in the world. Or if they constitute as food, as more of cardboard. But I like these better than toaster strudels, so that's just me. I mean, I'll buy them again. Now, they do have the other flavor, the chocolate one. I didn't want to try that because I figured chocolate and pretzel does really go. Cinnamon and pretzel goes because you see, you go to a pretzel stand and they have like cinnamon sugar pretzels, but I never seen a chocolate one. But I'm enjoying this. I'm going to finish this up. If I were to give it like a 5-star rating, I'd give it a good 3.5. Again, not the best. It's not too. What's good about it is it's not too sweet. Sometimes Pop-Tarts can be really, really sweet. You can get like the s'mores ones. Those are really, really sweet. It's not bad. It strikes a good balance. Yep. I'm enjoying it. So go check them out if you can. Stay safe. Don't go to the store if you don't have to. I just happened to be in the store because I did need some stuff. And this time's, don't go unless you have to. But I was going to get cereal, and I happened to see this right next to the cereal, along with the other things I needed. So I'm glad I got them. So thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. If you tried them, if you tried the chocolate ones, let me know what you think the difference in that and the cinnamon. And everybody, stay safe and this stuff. Stay inside. Stay clean. Wash your hands. I'm gonna wash my hands now after I finish the second one. So have a good day. Bye.